Hello coders, this is TK from localhost coder and welcome back to our series Front-End Web Development for Beginners. And guys, in the previous video we talked about basic structure of HTML and we understood how you can create an HTML file. So in today's video we are going to learn about the basic building blocks of the HTML, and tags and attributes are considered to be the basic building block of HTML. So guys, tags are special words or characters in HTML which is surrounded by smaller than and greater than symbols and have the special definition in HTML document. And friends, attributes are the extra functional to the tags of HTML. It defines extra properties of HTML tags. So let's see an example of HTML tag. So guys, this is the h1 tag from HTML and it defines a heading in HTML. So guys, basically this is the basic element of HTML. Here you can see the starting of the tag, which is h1, and after that you can see an ending tag in the last of the element. Everything between these opening and closing tag or starting and ending tag is called content, and it is going to be displayed on the web page. So in the starting tag you can see a class defined and heading written after the class. So in this, the class is the attribute name and heading is the attribute's value. So combining these two, it becomes an attribute to the h1 tag. So guys, basically this is the basic element of an HTML and I hope you get it. So guys, let's talk about the tags in detail. So in HTML, basically there are two types of tags and they are paired and unpaired or self-closing tag. And recent you just saw in the example was a pair tag, and you can see the example in the list here. And these are the examples of unpaired or self-closing tags. In the closing or pair tag, you have to write a starting and a closing tag too, but in the unpaired or self-closing tag you write only one opening tag. So that's it for this video. In next video we are going to learn about some most common tags of HTML and we'll set up a beautiful text editor, Visual Studio Code, to continue with this series. Thank you for watching this video. Stay healthy, keep coding.